Hello everyone, welcome back. Now we learned how to write a program that gives an array and sort the array in ascending order. Now we would like to declare and define an array and sort it in an ascending order. However, only, for example, the last two numbers or the last three numbers you would like it to be sorted. So previously we learned if we would like to make the sorting for the first three numbers, we instead of size we will just type 3, so it is going to sort the first three numbers. We see that okay, 529 is now 259 and the rest are remaining the same. However, if we would like to sort only the last three numbers of an array, we add number 3 in the first part. It is going to simply sort the last three numbers for us. So now we see that the first three are staying the same, exactly identical, but the last three numbers are having a sorted value in ascending order. So if you need to sort an array from some some part of it onward, you just put the number in the first part of the call function sort. And if you're going to sort the array for the first few elements instead of size, which sort the full elements for us, instead of this, you just put a number like 2, 3, 4. For example, if you put 4, it is going to sort the first four numbers of the array. Thank you for watching.